All right, using the full. Oh man! What's up, everybody, and welcome back to NWIRC. In today's video, we are going to be taking this Mojave, this Arrma Mojave 8S beast out for a rip. As you guys noticed, we've done some changes to it. I took them other tires off because they did come unglued on the back side of one of them, so I was able to save them by just re-gluing them. We put them on Vinny's Creighton 6S system, and so yeah, we got now the HPI Baja Proline trenchers beadlocks on this baby. So this here, we should not have a problem ripping tires with this 8S system. I also had took the gearing down to a 26 tooth because in the last video we were having some heat issues, and the only thing different today is I'm going to use just GNSS GPS meter to get some speed runs on the asphalt to see how well it'll do. The only other thing is I bought some extra battery straps. I got a pack of 12. I think I paid like 12 bucks or something, maybe $14, and for extra securement for the batteries. Other than that, that's all we've done different to it. So I'm going to get everything plugged in, and yeah, and again, we're running the 7,000 mAh Z packs. These are two 4S battery packs equaling 8S, and to power these G-force fans, we are running a 15 mAh Z 4S battery, as you see there, which plugs into there. It runs no power, and I could get the full runtime and still have battery juice for the fans. That's why I like this combo so much. So okay, guys, oh, very important, I forgot to mention, we did take the stock shocks off, and I put 80 weight oil in the front, and I put 70 in the rear. So this thing here should grip, and it should really do pretty well, especially off-road. But we're going to test it on road. We'll take a little bit off-road here and just see how it handles the bumps and everything, and we'll check temps of course, so stay tuned. All right, I'm gonna get this battery hooked up. I only have one hand. Stay tuned. I might have to play around with the trim settings with these tires on here. I'm not sure yet because this is the first run. I am not running the Cameron Craft cover because no really reason. I forgot to bring it. But that's okay. Let's go ahead and get this thing set up. I'm gonna get the speed meter going. We should be still connected. Okay. Oh, now we're picking up 20 satellites here. Okay. So we're gonna hit start. Tracking. Okay. Make sure she's tracking straight. A little bit. Go to the right a little bit. That's pretty good. We'll try that. Okay. Actually, I want to get her out a little bit farther because I want to get rolling. If you just go and hit the throttle, you're just going to spin the tires like crazy. So I'm just going to bring her out to about there. Okay, let's see. First speed run, guys. Half throttle. Full. Okay, well, that didn't work out too good because as soon as I hit the full throttle, all she wanted to do was just rip it up. I mean, do a wheelie. I want to get a temp on there just to be sure. Okay, so we got a little tire rubbing on the body, but that's all right. Let's see here. Let's check that ESC real quick. 61. Check the motor. Oh, okay, she's fine. See if I get the back of that motor. Right there. 52, very good. Let's try that again. But let's see what we did anyway. We'll go ahead and stop it. Read it. 53 mile an hour. Man, I'm willing to guess that this thing will go a lot faster than that. them tires just spun. I didn't even get the full throttle. So we're gonna go ahead and hit start. Okay, we're gonna come over here. We're gonna try that again. Man, she is so torquey. Okay, get her out there a ways. Okay, get her turned. Okay, let's go. We're at half. All right, using the full. Oh man, look at that! Oh shit! Bam! Damn! Holy cow! This thing is a monster. And I lost a battery pack. I lost something. Oh, my fans broke off. Oh no! Oh no! Oh, the mount broke. Oh man! Oh, tell me that's the end. Do you see them cartwheels? Oh, I think I busted something else over here. Ah, okay. So one of the GPM links looks like it just popped off. Yeah, that's gonna pop off again. Okay, anything else? Oh yeah, we did. Oh, we popped the other link off. Let's take this over here. Very interesting. But man, did you see that thing go? Let's go get it. Let's check and see how fast it went. My God. So far it seems like we got minor damage. And this thing's a beast. Really made for off-road, not really on-road. So we'll hit stop. I know she had to go faster. 66 miles an hour. I think this thing could do 75, to be honest. Maybe a hair faster. I don't know. Let's go back. So 66 is our top speed. Again, we got to check everything in here. Man. Oh, man, I just... That 26 tooth, what a difference. Get this off. Just got to check everything out. Man, sometimes this Velcro could be a pain in the butt. Oh, okay, so we popped. Oh, we lost the dog bone. Did we? Ah, crap. We lost a dog bone. Wait a minute. Okay, let's check it, make sure everything's good. I thought it was a battery. It was my freaking fans. The motor's still cool. You can see where its zip tie is here. I need to contact Junior on this to see if we could get a heavier duty mount. Maybe a 3D printed one made from I don't know, some kind of ABS nylon. But she's down at the moment, guys. I gotta go find that dog bone. Let's see if we could go find it. Let's do a mad hunt right where she went. Maybe we could trace it. So she flew off about here. She landed over there. Who knows where I lost it? It could be out in the street for all I know. But all that power, oh man, I don't know if I'm going to be able to find this thing, guys. I have to order probably some upgraded parts. Okay, we got people coming over there. Probably wondering what I'm doing out here. I don't know, guys. I think it's a lost cause. I don't think these guys, they're probably just wondering what I'm doing. They probably seen the RC car sitting over there and just turning around or checking the markings the other guy did. Okay, let's see. Man, I don't see it anywhere. Of course, my eyes aren't the greatest. And of course, that color blends into the ground so good that it's like camouflaged. I don't know, maybe I have to reference the video and look back to see where it could have popped off. It may not even been in the direct line of where it popped. I'm just glad it didn't hit these poles here, man. That would have been devastating. But man, did that thing go. 66 miles an hour, Yeah, them tires were spinning right, you know, right when she went to flip. So yeah, I'll just order some upgraded parts for it. But hey man, that's the fun of the part. That's the fun of the game right here. Man, is that where she did it? Is that where she went in her slide? I don't know. Take a little walk here, because you never know, you might get lucky. Like, I'm gonna go reference the video and see if I could put it in slow motion and see where maybe it popped out. So far, not looking good. Ah man, guess I'm gonna have to possibly wrap this video up, but let's go ahead and check some more stuff anyway. Okay, so basically, oh, this one actually broke. Yeah, these are cheap. I was warned about these, not to use this brand, or these GPM things. Maybe I'll see if they got aluminum ones, but you know, you do want some plastic, some give for things to break. And yeah, you can see where it connects right there. Completely broke. This thing's done for now. I can't run it like that. The other one just popped off, so that's fine. Not a big deal. All right, back to the bench. 66 miles an hour is what we got out of it so far. And I think in my next video, this is gonna be best for off-road speed runs. With these giant tires and all this, pushing all this weight, all I could say, and the best upgrade I think I've done to this to date is this Reef's Raw 500 servo. That thing is a monster servo. And yes, I got the voltage cranked up because I could take this up to 8.4 volts. That's how I programmed the ESC. The BEC and the ESC is what I programmed that to be, because it could take the power. May drains your main batteries a little bit more. I could go with a separate BEC, but you know what, this works for what I do. What are your guys' thoughts on this? Again, if you like this video, you guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, share this video out to your friends who has an 8S or wanting to build it. I'll put the build series video down in the description below if you want to check out this entire build and all the parts that I used, and we'll go from there. All right guys, have a great day.